Hello, my name is Natalia from Konarte Studio, and today we're here with the team of Canary Green. We're painting Los Gigantes cliffs and we're having so much fun. Cheers!
To the moon and let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars.
I want to thank Natalia so much for this amazing experience. So if you travel to Tenerife and want to have a special activity and bring a very beautiful memory back home, please contact Natalia. Contact details below this post and book your activity. You will remember this forever. Thanks, Natalia.
Fill my heart with song and let me sing forevermore. You were all I long for, all I worship and adore. In the